Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach,
Hello, everyone.
and we are on lockdown in Michigan. I'm sure you've heard about our state and our strict rules.
Yes.
So we're trying to be good.
Yep.
And we love our state, but we are ready to get out.
Yeah, we are. We're ready to get out. Normally, we're on the road showing everyone the lifestyle of RVing and a marathon, and right now we're locked down. So we thought we would take this time this week, this Wednesday, to which will be May 5, I believe, May 6, I believe today, to update you on what's going on and what we know as of now. We spend our summers at Hearthside Grove
In Petoskey, Northern Michigan.
Yep, and normally we have 2 to 3 coaches there, some new, some pre-owned, and we have them on display there. We were informed about a week ago that right now they are not going to allow any rentals, and they're not going to allow outside vendors. And it doesn't sound like they're going to allow us to have coaches open at this time. So
No, I don't think any events.
No
They're not
events.
opening the pool.
The clubhouse and all of that, yeah. So we're a little uncertain about what our summer looks like. Some of the thoughts are that we may be on the road a little bit more this year, going to different parks.
Yeah.
So
if you feel like commenting and you know of a park that's open,
yeah, great idea.
A great place to visit, we sure wouldn't mind a suggestion.
Yeah, that would be great. So we're just going to maybe explore in the next week or so. We'll start making some phone calls to different parks around the states and find out what their plans are, if they're all as strict as what Hearthside has been. Now, keep in mind, up north near Petoskey, Traverse City, there are other really great parks that we'll look into also. So it's very possible we'll be up there, still in northern Michigan this summer, and maybe just spending more time at different parks and traveling between the 2 parks and so forth. So
in a nutshell, we're taking it day by day, just like everybody else.
Very much so, day by day.
Yeah.
So.
But don't forget to go to Marathon's website. They have some beautiful coaches listed there, new consignments. You got to check them out. And if you have any questions, be sure to call or email, comment. And we miss everyone.
Yeah.
We miss them. We miss all of you very much.
Yeah, we miss being in a coach and being on the road.
We're ready to get back out there.
Yeah, I mean, being home is one thing, but when you can't be with your family, it's not quite as nice being home. So,
No.
But keep in mind, through times like this, it's a great time to consider an RV.
Oh, good point.
Yeah.
Who wants to get on a plane right now?
Yeah, a plane or a cruise ship or any of those things.
We live in such a beautiful country.
Yeah.
It's time to get out there. It's time to make that jump. And remember, it doesn't have to be a brand new coach. It doesn't have to be a brand new marathon. The pre-owned are the marathon pre-owned that we have, that Marathon owns, not the consignment, but the others come with a 6-month warranty. So you have your safety net there, and Marathon is so good about being there for everyone that purchases one. So
they really are. And we've got some great inventory right now. We've got some new stuff on the ground. We've got a new blacked out coach that we're going to probably show you in the next week.
We hope to.
Yeah, so that's exciting. A little bit out of Marathon's box, but we're excited about that. So we'll keep you updated. We'll probably be doing some more different things throughout the next few weeks while
we'll try and
home.
Keep you entertained.
Try.
So keep watching.
Yeah.
Keep watching.
Maybe we'll have to get creative.
Yeah.
Like favorite drinks, favorite recipes, on the road, barbecuing, all that kind of stuff. So we'll see.
Figure it out.
Yeah, but we just want to thank you all for watching Randy Dawn and the Marathon Coach, and so many people when we're on the road come and tell us that they watch us, and we so enjoy.
Sweet. We love it.
Yeah, talking to those people, and we love meeting people who watch our show also. So keep watching Randy Dawn and the Marathon Coach, and be safe.